Intraday trading strategies for the Nifty 50 index on 11th August 2025 require a disciplined approach, leveraging technical analysis, key levels, and market sentiment. Below are actionable strategies based on available information, tailored for tomorrow's trading session. Note that intraday trading is inherently risky, and you should conduct your own research and consult a financial advisor before trading. Key levels for Nifty 50, 11th August 2025. Support levels 24,498, 24,391. Resistance levels 24,786, 25,155. Trend, range-bound with potential volatility based on global cues, FII-DII activity, and macroeconomic data. Intraday trading strategies. Breakout strategy. Setup, monitor for a breakout above 24,786, R1, or below 24,498, S1, on a 15-minute candlestick chart. Confirm the breakout with strong volume to avoid false signals. Action. Buy, if Nifty breaks above 24,786 with high volume, target 25,155, R2, or higher, gun level at 24,728 as per Elliott Wave analysis. Sell short. If Nifty breaks below 24,498, target 24,391, S2, or lower, 24,250 as a critical pivot. Stop loss, place stop loss 0.5% below above the breakout level, example, below 24,498 for longs, above 24,786 for shorts. Tip, trade during peak liquidity hours, 9:15 a.m. to 11 a.m. Indian Standard Time, for tighter spreads and better execution. Supply and demand zone scalping. Setup, identify supply zones, rally-based drop or drop-based drop, and demand zones, drop-based rally or rally-based rally, on 5-minute or 15-minute charts. Focus on untested zones for higher probability. Action. Buy, enter at a demand zone, example near 24,498 with a bullish candlestick pattern, example hammer or engulfing. Target the next supply zone or a 2:1 risk-reward ratio. Sell short, enter at a supply zone, example near 24,786 with a bearish candlestick pattern. Target the next demand zone. Stop loss, place below the demand zone for buys, 5% of daily ATR, or above the supply zone for sells. Risk management. Position sizing, risk no more than 1-2% of capital per trade to preserve longevity. Stop loss, always set a stop loss to limit losses, example 0.5% of entry or based on ATR. Avoid overtrading, focus on 1 to 2 high probability setups, ideally A+ setups where zones align with higher timeframes. Backtesting, practice strategies on a demo account or use TradingView's bar replay to validate setups before live trading. Additional tips. Market sentiment, monitor India VIX for volatility spikes and FII-DII activity for directional bias. Sectors to watch, railways, PSU banks, power, infrastructure, healthcare, auto, and textiles may show strength. Global cues, check overnight global news, example US markets, crude oil, for potential gap up or gap down openings. Tools, use TradingView for charting, zone plotting, and technical indicators, example RSI, M.A.C.D, Bollinger Bands. Disclaimer. Intraday trading carries significant risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. The strategies and levels provided are for educational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. Always conduct your own analysis, use proper risk management, and consult a SEBI registered financial advisor before trading.